All right, before we get started, I just want to make sure that you are aware that you really need to watch the lesson video if you're not watching lesson video, if you're just watching the homework video. Because at this point, there's some really important information in the lesson video you need to know. And I'm just going to assume you watched the lesson video that's posted on there. That's going to go through all the important terminology. So if you see me do things that you don't understand, if you didn't watch the video, yeah, you probably won't. So make sure you watch the Chapter 11 lesson video first, because otherwise this can be very confusing with the terminology that's going to come up here. All right. So here, trade discount. Again, trade discount is the same concept as regular discount. So using the formulas that were given to us, let me get those formulas out again. So they are right here. So Chapter 11 formulas: trade discount amount is list price times the trade discount rate. Net price equals list price minus trade discount amount. Or if you're finding net price could equal list price times 1 minus the trade discount rate. And list price equal to net price divided by 1 minus the trade discount rate. So these are just some formulas when it comes to regular discount. And then there's chain discount. Now I'm not certain I stated these correctly, but we'll see, okay? The formulas are correct, but how these are in order of the words may not be correct, but you'll get the idea. So back here, this is the list price, and they want us to find the trade discount amount and the net price. So I remember discount amount. Okay, where you at? All right, something's going on here. Give me a second. Oh, I'm writing in white. Okay, that's not going to help anybody. Okay. Let me clear all that because I did write in white. All right, so trade discount amount is equal to the list price times percent discount. So basically, it's like just finding a regular discount. If you want to know the amount of discount, multiply the price on the shelf times the discount rate. So 347 times 27%. I have no clue what that is, so we're going to go to our calculator. Continue next. Forgot to set that up until now. All right, so we have 347 times 27%. Let me see if this works. Nope, doesn't work. Okay. Try to type in percent, but that doesn't work. Okay. Enter, and it gives you 93.69. So amount of discount is 93.69. There needs to be a decimal in there. 69. There we go. Now the net price is going to be the difference. Now, so using our formula, since we have the discount amount, the net price is equal to the list price minus the trade discount amount. So we can just do pencil. 347 minus 93.69. So we can borrow first here. So it gives you 31. 632 253.31. All right. So 253.31. Enter, check work. Good to go. So again, pretty simple. If you've ever been shopping, you understand discounts. Okay. So clear this, move on. All right, you want to compound coupon cabin, and you found 20% off coupon, and then you had a store-wide sale of 15% off everything. And if you use your credit card, you get another 10% off. So using your credit card, what will you pay before tax for a $260 gift you found? So basically, this is the chain discount. All right. So we're going to find the final price first because it's just a lot easier to do it that way. Okay. So if you remember chain discount, I'm going to use the complement rule. The complement rule says 1 minus the discount is the complement, or 100% minus the discount rate is the complement. So again, watch that video if you haven't watched it. So 80%, right? And then we have 100% minus 15% gives you 85%, and then 100% minus 10% is 90%. So we're going to take all the complements and we're going to take the final price, 260 times 80% times, that's a terrible percent, sorry. Percent, there we go. 85% times 90%, and that's going to give us our final price. We're going to put that in the calculator. We're going to take 260 times, I'm just going to use the decimal version, 0.80 times 0.85, because it's just a lot easier to type in, times 0.90. Okay, and again, if you want to do percents, that's fine. I just like using the decimal version. All right. So the final price is $159.12. All right. Now the savings is going to be the difference between what he paid and what the price was. So we're going to say the savings is 260.00 minus 159.12, which happens to be $188 or 88 cents. $100.88. Check my work. Done. All right, so chain discounts. All right, let's clear this, clear this, clear this, clear this. 11 Furniture buys a living room set with a $4,090 list price and a 50% chain discount. Freight on board shipping point, 45 is not part of the list price. What is the delivered price, including freight, of the living room set? Assuming cash discount, 410, net 30, ROG. The invoice is dated April 8th. Let them receive the goods April 19th and pay the invoice on April 25th. So now this is that part right here, that this terminology, right? Come on, where's that? There it is. You know, freight on board, this right here, invoice received, you know, all this stuff right here. These are going to be really important information you're going to get from the lesson video. So please watch the lesson video. All right. So if you watch the lesson video, then you know that ROG stands receipt of goods, which means that we don't need to know the invoice date. We only need to know when they received it. And did they pay within 10 days of receiving it? Yes, they did, which means yes, they get the discount of 4%. 4%. So 10 days, 4%, we're good. So we're gonna do a 4% discount. Now after we do the 50% discount. So, and a 50% discount. So half off would be $2,450, all right? And then a 4% discount. So I'm just gonna do times 96% using the complement rule. All right. And remember the complement rule, 100% minus 4%. Okay, so 4%. Sorry. Something's going on my keyboard real quick. Sorry. All right. Let me do that. Let's see here. So let's type that in the calculator. Which was what, 2,450 times 96%, $2,352. So we get $2,352. All right, then you got to pay the shipping. That's still part of it. Add the $45 back on, or back on, not back on, but add it on to it, because we don't know what they paid for the delivery price. So what is the delivery price? And you have to pay shipping. So 792397. Check my work. Done. So yeah, if you didn't watch that video, that's probably really confusing. Okay, now here's chain discounts again, and here we want to know the percentage discounts, which is, I'll go back to your formula sheet. This is what they want to know. They want to know this right here. What is the single discount equivalent rate? Now, to find that, you need the net discount equivalent, or the net price equivalent rate. So it's 1 minus the net price equivalent rate, which is the product of all the complements. So this right here means manufacturer A offers a 21% discount times a 16% discount. Okay. And then manufacturer B offers a 24% discount, sorry, not times, and an 8% discount. So we use the complements, so 100 minus 21 is 79%. 100 minus 16 is 84%. 100 minus 24 is 76%. 100 minus 8 is 92%. So we want to know which one's going to give the better discount. So we're going to multiply these together, and then we're going to do 1 minus the answer. So now we have to change it back to a percent once we're done. So we have 79% times 84%. Oops. So that's 79% times 84%. So you gotta change that to a decimal. All right. And we do 1 minus that answer times by 100. So manufacturer A offers a 33.64% discount. Right? Now manufacturer B offers a 76% discount and, or sorry, a 24% discount and an 8% discount. We multiply by the complements, which is 76% and 92%. All right, and we do 1 minus that answer, which, oops, I forgot to change that to a decimal again, didn't I? 76 times 92%, or decimal, and then 1 minus that answer is 30.08%. Now, which one gives you a better discount? Yeah, manufacturer A, better discount. And there it is. All right, so we're halfway done with the homework. Let me clear this. Click clear. Okay, so here we're talking about, again, that invoicing discount terms. So this gets really confusing unless you watch that video. So Maplewood Supply received a invoice of $5,300. Dated for 15/10. This is not a chain discount. This is an actual date. So that includes a 300 freight, which means we have to take off the 300 freight first before we apply any discount. So 500, and then once we're done, we add the 300 back on before we type it in our box here. Okay. So anyway, so the terms were 310, 230, and net 60. So this is something that is new. It doesn't show up on the PowerPoint. So I want to bring this up now. Anytime we have two of these in a row, all right, that means that we're going to get a 3% discount if paid within 10 days, or 10 days, or a 2% discount if after 10 days, so after 10, but before 30 days. All right. So which discount does he get? Does he get a 3% or 2%? Now, being that it's invoiced on the 15th and they paid on the 27th, they're not going to meet the 10 days. 10 days would be the 25th. Even then, you got to pay before 10 days. All right. The 25th is too late. The 24th would be the last day they receive the discount. So this is before 10 days anyway. But they definitely paid before 30 days. So they're going to get the 2% discount. So 2%, and again, if you want to do 98%, but 2% times this is pretty easy. It's $100. Okay. So we're going to take off 100. So 5,000 minus 100, 4,900. But then we don't forget we got to add the 300 back on. So they're going to pay 5,200. Now, mine works out real nice. I don't know if yours is going to work out that nice. I hope it does. All right, let's check, see how we're doing. Yeah, we're good so far. So we got to answer part 2. Now, what if they pay on May 21st? Now, if they pay on May 21st, did they meet the requirements for either discount, 10 days or 30 days? So no, they had to pay before, well, April's only 30 days, so they had to pay before May 15th, and they did not, so they get no discount here, which means they just pay the full amount, $5,300. And that's it. All right, again, another what did they pay kind of question. Billy Manufacturing sent Intel Corporation invoice machinery with $15,400 list price, dated August 16th with 510 EOM terms, 40% discount, and they pay the invoice on the 29th, which means if you remember, again, the terminology, end of month means they got to pay before the 10th of the next month. They get a 5% discount. Since they did pay even before the month was over, they're going to get that 5% discount. So again, this means 5% discounts if paid before the 10th of the next month. They did. So they're going to get a 40% discount followed by a 5% discount. So this is chain discount again. What does he pay? Well, he's going to pay the $15,400 times the complement, 60%, times the complement, 95%. Again, know the word complement, the complements. Right. So we're going to plug that in the calculator. 15,400 times the complement of 40%, 60%, times the complement of 95%, 0.95, or complement of 5%, which is 95%. So he's going to pay $8,778. All right, 2 more to go. All right, partial payment. This is at the very end, I think, of the PowerPoint. So again, this is a 2-parter here. Do they pay before 10 days or pay before 15 days? Which one? So on the 9th, they paid, and it was July 6th. So July has 30 days in it. All right, so it has 30 days in it, which means 10th would be the 6th of August, so they don't get the 4% discount. The 15th would be the 11th of August, so they do get the 3%. So we get a 3% discount. Now, if you remember the rule for partial payment, it is right here. It is on my formula sheet. Partial payment, it is the payment divided by 1 minus the discount rate, which is the complement. Okay, so what's the complement of this? So the complement is 97%. So he's going to receive a credit of $260, the payment amount, all right, divided by 97%. So 2,600 over 97%. So they're going to credit her $268.04. All right. Now, the outstanding balance is what's left, which means how much she had to begin with at $1,230 minus what they credited, $268.04. Again, borrow first. So 6,916, 11 minus 2, $961.96. Oh, apparently I didn't write it in there. 61 and 96 cents. There we go. Check my work. Done. All right, last one. Chain discounts. 60 ski boards. It doesn't, honestly, 20 ski boards. It doesn't matter because it says the total list price is this, so that number doesn't matter. That's the total list price. What's the net price of ski boards? What's the trade discount amount? So we're going to find the net price first using the complement rule. So this is 9%, 8%, and 5%. So the complements would be 91%, 92%, and 95%. So we're going to multiply that, the 1,400 by each of these complements. So 1,400 times 0.91 times 0.92 times 0.95. So 1113.48 when you round. 1113.476, it'll round for you. There we go. Now the trade discount amount is the difference between the original price and the net price. So that's going to be the 1,400.00 minus 1113.48. Again, using borrow first. 3191919125681. There we go. So, oh no, 20. That's a 0 there. So that means they saved $286.52. So 286.52. And that is it. So again, go ahead and get chapter 11 done and then move on to whatever next you have to do.